Hello everyone. If this fan looks familiar to you, it's because I did a video of it back in October of 2016, and this is a revisit of it. Now, as outlined in that other video, this fan has had some work done to it in rewiring and cleaning and servicing. It's a 16-inch, 3-speed cool spot oscillating fan. Now this fan is still finished in its original Windsor green paint. It's got some paint loss, but has stood up to the test of time and use very well. This fan was made in 1950 according to the serial number, and this model was manufactured from 1949 to 1955 with some minor updates through the run. Now, while these aren't terribly common, I've seen others of these here on YouTube. Let's have a closer look at it. And what we'll do now is give a running demonstration of this fan. And we'll bring in the oscillation. Bring it down to medium. And we'll bring it down to low now. And we'll bring it up to high again. And off to show the coast down. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this revisit of this old cool spot. There will be more to come, so stay tuned. Later.